Okay, so today a unboxing of a new item for 2023. I think this actually got released in 2022, but it is a tire pump effectively, and this model is called the EnergyPump Mega Series Dual Cylinder Wireless Inflator. So they had a previous model which I've done a review on. But this one effectively has two motors now instead of just the one compressor motor. So specs, it says its motor is 22 dual cylinder. I'm not sure what that 22 refers to. I believe it is just two motors there. Model number is BS-CG007. Sorry. Charges off USB Type-C, 5 volts at 3 amps, 9 volts at 1.5 amps, 6,000 milliamp hour battery at 22.5 watt hours. Power is 250 watts. Inflation time for one tire is 3 to 4 minutes. 195 size tire. Number of tires for inflation with one full charge, 3. So it can pump up 3 car tires, I believe, before the battery gives out. So standard Baseus stickers and quality assurance stickers, so you can scratch and check that to make sure it's a genuine product. On the side here it says high pressure inflation with dual cylinder, preset for auto shutoff, real-time detection for tire pressure. Okay, so I'll go ahead and start getting into it. Seems to be packed with 2 styrofoam support cutouts. We'll move those to the side. That's the unit there. What else comes in the box? We have some shiny stickers, rainbow styled shiny stickers, warranty card, and user manual in a few different languages, I believe. Oh, you've got one in English and the other side presumably Chinese. So we'll put that to the side. We have a little section here. That's the box done. So that's the tube with, I'm not sure what this type of adapter is called, but it sort of squashes around the head and then expands around it. So I prefer this one over the previous model, which was a screw-on type adapter. These ones are very easy to use. Nice braided hose cable. The other one was rubber, which was fine, but it did heat up on the previous model around this point. This one should heat up as well, but it's got some heat shrink there, and I think the braided one is just a bit nicer. We have some tips here for various inflatables. I know this one's for basketballs and whatnot. I'm not sure and never used these other two, but I'm sure someone will use those. And we have a USB Type A to Type C cable. I'll put in the comment below if this one does in fact charge via USB C to C. And we'll load this up. So this is the unit itself. So it's marked here double pump. We have a light, a USB Type C socket. This is probably the intake side. And we have some specifications on the back, and they are no different to what was written on the box. So nice little carrying, a silicone carrying thing there, and I think it needs charging. Haven't read the instruction manual. Maybe press and hold OK. There we go. So it's the exact same display as the previous model, and same control pad. Slightly different control pad, but I think functionality would be the same. So you just plug that in there and screw it on, and we'll just just hit OK. So that's how it works, and it starts pumping air through this. So I'll leave the review at that for this unit. Oh, it has some nice feet there, so it can stay stable. But I'll